In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an opportunity in Salesforce. And to start, let's discuss what a Salesforce opportunity is. A Salesforce opportunity is essentially a potential revenue generating deal within your sales pipeline. It's a way for you to track the progress of your sales from the initial interest stage all the way to a closed deal. Typically, each opportunity is linked to one or more accounts and contacts within Salesforce, helping you keep track of everything in a very organized manner. Now, let's dive into how you can create an opportunity. First off, what you want to do is click on the app launcher, which you can find on the top left corner of your Salesforce interface. This is your gateway to all the apps and services you have at your disposal in Salesforce. From the app launcher, you're going to navigate over to opportunities. Think of this as your starting point in organizing and tracking all your potential deals. Once you're in the opportunities section, you'll see a new button. This is what you need to click to begin the process of creating a brand new opportunity. When you click new, you get to enter all the details that define your deal. Entering these details accurately is important, as it will help you and your sales team understand where things stand at any given time. Start by giving your opportunity a name. It's helpful if the name is descriptive because it will allow you to identify it easily later. After naming your opportunity, select the associated account. This is where you can either choose an existing account, or if it's a new client, create a new account right then and there. Next, set a target close date. This is essentially the time by which you expect to have the deal finalized. Having that deadline in the system can encourage you to stay on track. Following the close date, choose the current stage of your opportunity in the sales process. Whether it's in the initial contact phase or you're about to close the deal, identifying the stage helps you know what actions are needed next. Now comes the forecast category. This often ties into how your sales might look over a certain period, giving you insights into expected revenues. There are also additional fields you can fill out if you wish. These might include the deal's amount, the type of opportunity it is, the lead source, a brief description, and details on the sales team involved. While these fields are optional, the more information you provide, the better you can manage your opportunity. Finally, once you've filled out all the necessary fields, go ahead and click Save. And just like that, you've created an opportunity in Salesforce. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to efficiently managing your sales pipeline. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.